Hi everyone, I am Manikandan, proprietor and chief technical engineer of Smart Digital Service. And in Smart Digital Service, we have a product called SDS-IPTV. I formed this company in 2017. From 2017, we are into development of a IPTV system, and we are showcasing our product in a global expos happened in India. For an example, in a SCAT Expo, we participated since 2017 to 2022. From 2017 to 2022, we are dedicatedly and purely focusing on IPTV system, and we are showcasing our IPTV system and its new technologies to all our customers. Myself, I am a technical engineer into this cable TV industry since 2015. So this helped me a lot in creating this IPTV system, because in a cable TV system we have lots of audits and lots of regulation has been developed since 2017 and 18, and in 2019 the TRAI Schedule 3 get into the amendment and lots of regulation came into the picture, and we derived this IPTV system and we recreated this IPTV system according to this TRAI regulations. As I am a cable TV industry engineer, this helped me a lot in creating this IPTV system into a TRAI regulated framework. After the Schedule 3, there is no detail about the IPTV system in the Schedule 3. So we waited, and the Schedule 10 consultation paper came into the picture in 2022. In that consultation paper, we have given our queries and our ideas and our answers to the TRAI. And last week, we get to know about that, like TRAI have announced a Schedule 10 regulation for the IPTV system, where all this regulation for the IPTV system has been described over there. And the good thing is our SDS IPTV system is 100% compatible with the Schedule 10. So we can regulate the IPTV system and we can provide a hassle-free, user-friendly, as well as the most advanced technology IPTV system to all our customers. All the regulations are set, now we have to move towards the IPTV system. Why these MSOs and ISPs have to move to the IPTV system? You know, the cable TV industry started in the analog and it traveled over 20 years, and after that it was migrated to the digital TV, and it is already 5 plus years we have traveled in the digital TV system. And right now, you know, in the COVID period, people were searching for the newer technologies, they have very much adapted to the internet. So nowadays, the media watching people mostly went into this OTT system. So cable TV operators as well as the MSOs and the ISPs have to move to a newer technologies people were looking for. For this, we can go for the IPTV system, which will be much more technically advanced comparing with this cable TV and digital TV system. Now we are going to discuss about what is the difference between this cable digital TV and this IPTV system and the OTT. As I earlier mentioned you, the OTT have a bigger impact in these past years. The cable TV system is a one-way communicative system where the linear channel can be flowed to the people so they can watch only the linear TV channel, but it is the most reliable way of watching a TV channel. So it sustained in the market for past 30 years. When it comes to a OTT, it is technologically very advanced, but the younger people can easily adapt to it, but the older people in the home cannot adapt to the OTT. Because you know, surfing into the OTT platform, it is very much tougher, and the OTT platform have a different companies to watch a separate content. The older people has to move from one part to the other part. So these kind of things make the people little bit worried about these newer technologies. And here comes the regulation that live TV channel cannot be, the linear TV channel cannot be into the OTT system. Now we will come into this IPTV system. When comparing with the cable TV system, IPTV system is a two-way communicative system where this linear TV channel can be viewed, as well as the OTT contents, on-demand content also can be viewed in this IPTV system. For an example, cable TV, it is a user-friendly technology where people can watch the live TV channel in an easier way and in the reliable way. In the OTT, newer technologies are there, on-demand content can be watched, but the problem is it will give you the least experience of a user-friendly. So now we are into this IPTV system. In IPTV system, it is a two-way communication and it is technologically very advanced, as well as it will have a very user-friendly ideation over it. So every people can easily adapt into this IPTV system. We can see the linear TV content, we can see the on-demand content, we can rewind and forward the content. And comparing with OTT will be distributed from the cloud servers, but this IPTV system will be distributed in a local area network. For an example, decentralized way of distribution make this cable TV industry sustain in the market, and it makes the industry much more reliable. So it sustained in the market for 30 years and people still trusting with this cable TV. So right now we have to provide a most reliable system, as well as we have to provide a most technologically advanced system. So we have to migrate into this IPTV system, which is more reliable as well as more technical. Okay, technologies are set, regulation is set. Right now in SDS IPTV, we have a complete packed solution. The complete packed solution means in IPTV system, it is not only a single part, it have a multiple systems inside in it. For an example, IPTV system, basically it will have a DRM system. DRM system means a digital rights management system, which will manage all your encryption and the key sharing parameters. The global DRM will have a Google Widevine, Apple FairPlay, and lots of DRM will be there. We are working with those DRMs also, as well as in India for a DRM, we have lots of regulations inside in it for a Schedule 10. So we have our own DRM for a TRAI regulated IPTV system, and which is a Schedule 10 audited DRM. And coming to the second point, apart from the DRM, we will have a streaming solution. It will manage your UDP content into any format of contents in unicast as well as in the multicast. In unicast also we have encrypted streams, and in the multicast also we have encrypted streams, and we can stream into any format of protocols. And next to it, we are having a middleware system. The middleware will manage the encryption, decryption, channel packaging, user management with all the other OTT deep linkings, and everything will be managed in the middleware system. In middleware system, we manage the channels, we manage BODs, we manage series on demands, and we manage music on demands as well as the cloud TVs. And next to it is the application, and we are having a huge compatibility of application. That means we are having an Android mobile version, we have an Android TV and box version, and we are having an iOS version. So whatever the customer device it is, we can compatible with any of the devices the customer have. Our IPTV system, that means SDS IPTV app can run in any devices. Our IPTV system have all the features, and now there is a two different products we are maintaining. One is a TRAI regulated product, another one is a free to air product. So we have a huge variations of product, like according to the people, the necessity we can adapt with your products. And we are all the way going from our low end product to the top end products, where the TRAI regulatory framework will be have a mandatory DRM with the unicast and multicast system, and the box application with the launcher, and everything will be there for this TRAI audit system. And especially in the TRAI audit system, they will ask for the fingerprinting. We have all the fingerprinting methods like covert, overt, individual channel, individual user, scroll, spot fingerprinting, and the OST fingerprinting methods, and main. We are compatible with every fingerprinting methods, as well as we provide our APIs that can be integrated with your existing SMS, and we will support you with the reports and everything. We will take care of this TRAI regulations. And next to this TRAI regulation, we have a free to air product. In free to air product, you will have a liberty, like you can run the channels in unicast, multicast, and whatever the need you are, and you cannot run the pay channel over it, but you can go into this OTT with deep linking, and all the features will be there. And next to it, we are not only developing a product for ourselves, we can customize the product according to the customer needs. So we have our own development team in-house, so that we can manage anything whatever the people dreams. So you dream, we will make the development, and we will get these things comes into your phones and to the devices. We are not into the position of researching or into the developing of application or our backend softwares. We have a complete developed software, and we are not only doing IPTV system for the cable TV and for the ISPs. We are doing IPTV system for hotels, hospitals, and lots of close community areas. And we are not only providing IPTV system for the internet-based solution, we are providing IPTV system for an intranet-based solution. Our complete IPTV system can run in on-premises without the cloud. We have a cloud-based solution also, as well as we are providing the intranet-based on-premises server, dedicated server applications. So we can deliver the content in a very faster way, and in the reliable way, as well as in the better clarity with the less resources. Our IPTV system consumes a very less CPU, and in the basic variants of boxes and the devices also can easily run our IPTV system. Right now we are going to participate in the SCAT Expo at another year here also. You can come, and we are welcoming you to our expo stalls to experience our complete set of products. Stay connected with our YouTube channel. Yet another year, we are also participating in this CAT Expo in stall number H6, which is going to happen in October 8 to 10, 2023. We welcome you all to our stall to experience our complete set of product. Thank you so much.